Ni monanio ma urimi ma kimabũrũri ma mwaka uyu maria mahanikirio guku Nairobi kuri AKENYA ingi mekinyitie kuonania maundu matiganite umwe wa wari uhigiriru wao hari gukinyaniria kothi cia MOKO. Kuona mieke ya mawira ikoretwo igikundera makiria mawira ma wabici, AKENYA makiria mbeũ njithi makarutirwo ritana ria kuhimbiria mawira ma MOKO na uhuthiri wa ihoyo ciao hari gukinyaniria utheremu wao.
And Finchurch Aid is an international non-governmental organization which supports communities to ensure that we are enhancing the sustainability of the communities, to enhance their resilience. And our mission is action for human dignity. When you look at our higher learning institutions, we have concentrated a lot in white-collar opportunities, which means young people, once they graduate, they are not able to access, because our market is essentially unable to absorb all the talent that we have.
Faith Nyanji ni murugamiriri wa mihang'o ruhonge-ini rutaro rwa githirikari rwa Finchurch Aid agitariria uria maundu ta uhuthiri wa njira cia kiriu cia ukinyaniria na maundu ta ugacirithia wa mikirire kana fashion ituikite njira njeru ya kwimathira umithio hari mbeũ njithi.
I want to reference our linking learning to earning approach, and this is an approach that we have used in our digital and creative economy program, which then also supports the WISE program and also the digital scaling. What we have done with that is ensuring that youth are able to access skills that are considered unattainable sometimes just because of the cost of skilling in institutions. And so that's skills like web design, animation, digital marketing.
First of all, there's lack of financing. There's a lack of different opportunities for creatives to grow their businesses. So by us creatives being given opportunities to grow our businesses, to scale our businesses, that's why I think most people normally shy away from being creatives and try and look for different job opportunities which sometimes are not there.
Lilian Muthama ni umwe wa aria mekinyitie kuonania mihumbire tiganite iria tuikite wira wake wa o muthenya agitariria ati kuhitukira IHEO mbeũ njithi aingi no mamwe no na gutuika njararuhi na merugamirire kimuturire.
I'm a fashion designer. I've been in the fashion and creative industry for the last 5 years. So what I do in the fashion industry is create designs. I create designs, I source fabric, and I tailor them to fit different body sizes and to feature my brand. I feel like the creative industry is an equal employer. I would speak in terms of my business. I'm able to create employment for different people. I'm able to also train people in the creative industry so that they can also be able to start their own businesses and make money and earn a living from themselves through their creativity.
Hadunia Government TV, Retoro Koni Bataru, wa Mwagi.